Okay, alkane, hydrocarbon with single carbon-carbon general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. Example, propane. Hydrocarbon, organic compounds of hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbon, ethane, ethyne, and ethene. Aliphatic hydrocarbon. An aliphatic hydrocarbon or aliphatic hydrocarbon is an organic compound containing hydrogen and carbon atoms that are usually linked together in chains by a single, double, or triple bonds. Sometimes the chains are also in branch. Branch chains or in the form of the non-aromatic structure. Saturated hydrocarbons, hydrocarbons that only have single bonds between their carbon atoms are called saturated hydrocarbon. Any हाइड्रोकार्बनमा सिंगल बोन्ड छ भने त्यसलाई हामीले सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन भनिन्छ. Example include ethane, butane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, यदि हाइड्रोकार्बनमा डबल र ट्रिपल बोन्ड छ भने त्यसलाई हामीले unsaturated hydrocarbon भनिन्छ. Hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are linked to each other by double or triple bonds are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example include ethene, propane. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are two types. Alkene. यदि डबल बोन्ड छ भने त्यसलाई हामीले अल्किन भनिन्छ. Alkenes are hydrocarbons with the formula CnH2n. Alkenes containing the carbon-carbon double bond functional group, the alkenes are unsaturated and undergo addition reaction. 1-butene to methyl 1,1-butene. Alkyne. In organic compounds, alkyne is an unsaturated hydrocarbon containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. कम्तीमा पनि एउटा ट्रिपल बोन्ड भएको हाइड्रोकार्बन छ भने त्यसलाई हामीले अल्काइन भनिन्छ. जस्तो इथाइन, प्रोपाइन, ब्युटाइन, 1-butene. Aromatic hydrocarbons, cyclic hydrocarbons with alternate single and double bonds like benzene is called aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon भनेको बेन्जिनको जस्तो स्ट्रक्चर हुनु पर्यो र त्यसमा चाहिँ अल्टरनेट सिंगल एन्ड डबल हुनु पर्यो. हेरौँ त, बेन्जिनमा डबल बोन्ड, सिंगल बोन्ड, डबल बोन्ड, सिंगल बोन्ड, डबल बोन्ड, सिंगल बोन्ड. यस्तो स्ट्रक्चर छ भने हामीले यसलाई के भनिन्छ? एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन भनिन्छ. जस्तो फिनोल, एनिलिन. Methane. Methane is the gas that is found in the small quantities in the atmosphere. Methane colorless, odorless gas that occurs abundantly in nature and is a product of certain human activities. Methane is the simplest number of the paraffin series of the hydrocarbon and is among the most potent of the greenhouse gases. Its chemical formula is the CS4. Physical properties of methane. Methane is the colorless, odorless, and non-poisonous gases. Melting point minus 182.5 degrees Celsius. Boiling point minus 169.5 degrees Celsius. Its molecule is symmetrical. It is the higher than air. It is slightly soluble in water, but fairly soluble in ether and alcohol. Chemical properties of methane. Combustion of the methane. Halogenation, substitution reaction. Methane reacts with a halogen like chlorine or bromine in the presence of ultraviolet light to form the halomethanes. For example, methane reacts with the chlorine, produces chloromethane. Halogenation of methane, chlorination, chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. Nitration of methane is the nitric acid and produces nitromethane. Action with air and steam, methane reacts with the air. Okay, methane reacts with the oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and water at 18 degrees Celsius in presence of nickel, carbon monoxide. Pyrolysis of methane alkanes on heating at higher temperature in absence of air decompose to lower alkanes and alkenes in hydro. And it is this is also known as pyrolysis of cracking. Pyro means heat, lysis means breakdown. Again, it breakdowns into the sulfonation of methane, the process of replacement of hydrogen atom by sulfur group is called sulfonation. For example, methane sulfonic acid. Oxidation of methane, complete oxidation, combustion occurs in the presence of excess of oxygen producing carbon dioxide in water. Partial oxidation under control condition, methane can be oxidized to various intermediate products. Methanol, methane reacts with oxygen at the catalyst, produces methanol. Also, it produces the formaldehyde in presence of copper and 300 degrees Celsius. Similarly, carbon dioxide in the water. Catalyzed oxidation of methane. Catalyzed oxidation of methane is a partial oxidation reaction carried out in the presence of metal catalysis to convert methane into the more useful chemical such as the methanol or formaldehyde. Instead of the burning it completely to carbon dioxide in water. The methanol and formaldehyde. Use of methane, domestic and industrial fuel, shoe polish, printing ink, tire manufacturing, manufacture of methyl alcohol. Okay, it's all about alkanes under Diploma in Computer Engineering, Engineering Chemistry second, CTEVT. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching and because you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye-bye. See you again.